Alright, Dan here, back at Garage Slotnick, and as you can see we're looking at Commodores once again. I think we got more Commodores down here at Garage Slotnick than downtown Morayfield, or if you're in Victoria, downtown Clayton. They've certainly increased by number in the last couple of months here. We've got 86, 87, 89, got a spare 90, which could be converted to 89 specs with Perkins and Mazzero, I think, in 89. Then we've got the 84 and the Bathurst winner. And this one came on Thursday, I think, but who knew a black and white livery could stand out so well? So Scalextric once again have done a fantastic job, and making cars for the Australian market. It's very appreciated. It's probably not the biggest market in the world, but they certainly have given us a lot of Aussie cars in the last few years. So yeah, I've got the wheels from the 90 Bathurst winner on the VK now, and she's up, ready to run. So we're going to give it a few laps and show you the completed car. And we've got headlights and taillights working. Mel, you were right, the lights were too far back from the tailgate, so I've just moved them up. And yeah, let's go for a few laps.